Hi, this is Raksil and you are watching Raksil 777's channel, and this video is the custom ROM review of Corvus OS based on Android 13 OS as vendor-based custom ROM. Let's hop into about phone and see. Android version is 13th. You get the November 5th 2022 security patch, and the kernel is Bull X. SE Linux status is enforcing, that is good. And let's move the clock to 1 o'clock position and you will see what Android 13, right? Now in settings you get device settings and Corvus settings on top. Let's go to Corvus setting. You get theming, status bar, quick setting, lock screen, notification, buttons and navbar. These are the customization you get here. In theming you can use custom color for your system accent color, right? In status bar you get icons color, 4G icon, roaming indicators, show data disable icon, tap to sleep. In quick settings you get clock, auto brightness, show detailed data usage. Here you can see the data usage of mobile data and Wi-Fi data usage, right? And in lock screen you get media cover art filter, you can blur. And in notification you get reticker. Buttons and navbar you get show volume panel on left side. It's now on the left side. If you turn it off, it will go to the right side, right? Which one I am more comfortable with, the right side volume panel, because I mostly use my right hand. Okay, that's okay. In under display you will see override forced dark colors. You get natural, boosted, adaptive, saturated. You get high brightness mode and DC dimming here. And let's see the quick setting panels. These are the tiles you get here: AOD, caffeine, heads off, color inversion, one-handed mode, extra dim, CPU info, FPS info, compass. Alright, and this is the battery statistic here. Screen on time 1 hour 14 minutes, 19% consumed. And I would like to let you know that my battery is only 2000 mAh right now. My battery is damaged, okay? But this is the screen on time I got here: 1 hour 14 minutes, 19%. And this is the only, I have only used YouTube. I watch some episode, anime episode, for 1 hour and it consumed 19%. This is good enough for 2000 mAh battery. And this is the Google feed on the left side in your home screen. And I don't feel any lag here, and it's smooth for 60 fps. This is smooth enough, right? Again, fingerprint is fast and smooth, right? Fingerprint is smooth enough. Alright, this is the Geekbench score here. Single score 678 and the multi score is 2212. I don't know why I got a very low score here. Alright, this was the score I got in Geekbench. And the CPU throttling test is impressive here. You get max 205k GIPS and the average is 180k GIPS and the minimum is 143k GIPS. Good enough. Alright, and the home settings you get quick step launcher. These are the customization you get: show Google app, double tap to sleep, Google search bar, show hot seat background, app drawer, recent. You get to show memory info. Right now it's disabled, but if you enable this you will see the memory info. Alright, you can see the RAM usage on the top right corner. You see that, right? 1.4 GB out of 6 GB on top right corner. You can see that. let's test the safety net here. Run safety net attestation. Safety net older profile is passed without any problem, and this is good for your banking application. The store settings about you get device is certified out of the box, which is good. And check out the camera. This is the camera. All right, this is not good camera. I don't like this camera. You can install alternative cameras like Google cameras, or yeah, you can try Google cameras like Burial SLR or LMGC. Those are some good Google cameras you get out there in Telegram photography channel. Alright, you get Raven's wall. This is the Corvus wallpapers. The net is slow, it's loading. Alright, these are the Corvus wallpaper. You get community wallpapers, you get pixel. Alright, and that's pretty much it for this video. Stay safe and always keep smiling. Goodbye.